Oh man. What is this? Ah, crap. The fuck was wrong with my hair? Yeah. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm actually going to be painting these bumper reflectors. You can easily buy these if you want to, if you don't want to go through the whole process of painting them. I think you can get them for $70 shipped. If you look around, you might be able to find them for about $55, $60 on the forums. Actually, I found a set that I was going to buy, but then before I bought those, I ended up running to this guy that was local. He was actually selling the Alpine white paint in the spray can in clear coat. I got everything for $30. If I were to buy the paint brand new from the website, I think it was coming out to about 65, I think, shipped, or somewhere around that range. The paint, I think it was used once. The clear coat feels pretty much brand new. And then also the guy, he gave me the touch-up kit that you buy from BMW, and I think those go for $30. So it's pretty much I'd say just an average $90 worth of paint that I would have ended up purchasing maybe down the road. I ended up getting it for $30. I can't complain because once I paint these reflectors, I'm actually still gonna have some paint left over in case I do happen to need it in the future. But yeah, so if I can get all that for $30, I might as well just paint them, or at least try to. If I fail, then I guess I'm gonna have to buy some actual original ones that are painted already. But I figured this is a neat project, I guess, that I could do and save some money. I'm not gonna say that, you know, it'll be the same for you guys, because at that point, if you guys have to buy the paint brand new, then you guys might as well just buy the reflectors already. So it all depends if you're able to get the paint for a good deal, or if there's somebody else that can get the paint for you at a discount. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, get them sanded, primer them, paint them, and eventually get the clear coat, and then I'm gonna let them dry overnight. Then I'm gonna install them tomorrow, so that's when I'm gonna be finishing up the video. So it's gonna be 2 different days. I'll give you guys an update once I get these out. So it's 1, 2, and 3. So let me go ahead and take these out. Alright guys, now that you have the reflector off, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get all the old tape off of it. Whenever I pulled mine out, all the tape stayed inside the bumper, so what I did was just stuck my finger in there and rubbed it all off. But now that I have this one off, let me go ahead and get on the other side so we can get these painted. Okay, so now that I have the reflector scuffed up, I'm actually gonna skip recording the next process. The last time that I painted, there's a video that I made painting my brake calipers like a while back ago, which is probably one of my first videos. I ended up getting overspray on my lens, and I'm really not trying to do that right now. So I'm just gonna skip the process. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Scuff it up, primer it. If it's rough, sand it down a little bit. Paint it, multiple coats, you know, wait maybe 10-15 minutes between coats, and then clear coat it after that. So I'm not a pro painter. I'm actually not an experienced painter at all. I've done several things with spray paint, so it's gonna be the same process. And here you can see the side markers are all scuffed up. I still have to clean them, so once I turn the camera off, I'm gonna clean them and then go ahead and do all the paint work. And then once I'm finally done, then that's when I'll actually show you guys what the end result is. But yeah guys, I'll see you guys once I'm done with these. Alright guys, so I'm finally done painting the reflectors. I might have actually waited a little bit longer than I should have in between the coats, but I just wanted to be safe. Let me go ahead and show you guys how the finished product looks. It's still wet, but I'm hoping that the shine that's on it now actually stays. So yeah guys, take a look at this. And also, in case anybody is wondering what kind of paint I used, it was actually this one. It is paint scratch, and then I guess you can order whatever color you want. And then for the clear coat, I used the 1K clear coat. So before I close out this video, I just want to let you guys know that if you're going to be ordering this type of paint, it's probably not going to be worth it for you to go through all the trouble with doing it yourself. You might as well just buy the ones that come painted already. I did get quoted $25 a can for paint at the local O'Reilly's, and it's a small, I think it's a smaller can, but it's about $25 for the paint, and then you have to buy the clear coat. The clear coat would depend on where you get it from. Maybe if you can get it locally, you can probably get it for maybe $10 a can. So you're looking at about $35, and then at that point, you can probably do it yourself. This is just now the size of the cans and where it's coming from. I looked online and it was about $60-$70 I think for both of them. So that's not worth it if you're gonna order from there. Now if you need to cover a larger surface for something else, then yes, go ahead and order the paint, because even though the paint I think had been used already, I still have paint left over. So go ahead and you know, look into what you might want to do with the paint, and then you decide yourself. I just wanted to make this video to show you guys what I'm doing to the car, what things I'm doing myself, which is going to be a lot of the things right now. Obviously no custom parts or no engine work at the moment, but everything I'm trying to get it done within 2 weeks time. I started last week and everything's just coming down on the last week. But yeah guys, I don't want to make this video any longer. Guys, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.